Good morning. Today is Thursday, April 3rd, 2025. I am here at Ortega River Marina, and this is a before video of Til You Cant. Owner is not on the boat, but I do see that his hydraulic lift for his dinghy is down, so I do have to keep an eye on that while I'm under the boat and while I'm around it, just in case. So let's go ahead and check it out. Well, everything looks pretty good, except for everything metal underwater, and that's really dirty. So we'll go ahead, we'll get it cleaned up, and then I'll get a count of all the zincs, and we'll go from there.